Turkish coffee, this time flavored with ground ginger. And often Turkish coffee can be flavored with things like cardamom or ground ginger, so I'm going to show you how to make that. We need to get our Turkish coffee grinder because this is the device which is going to really grind that coffee super fine. Let's get started. Right, let's have a look at that coffee. That is super fine. Let's get a better look at it. That is just like powder. Just like powder. That's what you want, alright? I'm going to add about a teaspoon of powdered ginger to that. And make it just exactly the same as I already showed you how to make Turkish coffee. We'll add a heaped teaspoon of sugar to that mix. We see the maki forming there now, which is the foaming on the surface. This can only be achieved if the grind is very fine. Fine to very fine. The finer it is, the more you'll get this forming on there. There it is, looking pretty good. We'll let it rise right up to this ridge. Take it off the heat. Let it settle, bring it back on the heat again, and turn it off. So let's pour that right now. So that's Turkish coffee flavored with ground ginger. Delicious. Very refreshing.